My name na Tommy Oyewole. I beg una, make una no comot that style from Naija TV. Now go get TV way and I go enjoy.
Yes, so East, West, North, South, home na still the best. Bro, say na the home of entertainment. Your Baba Rest TV, Otekwele TV. Yes, so TV way too much for one nation. We the oikali boy. Jimjikali Jim. Naija TV. Yes, so may no for loss na still Daybreak Naija on top your Otekwele TV. Okay, the complete gang day here. If you share Kwelashiously Wela and the Red Car Chief of Lagos don't join we on top the entertainment update segment for inside Daybreak Naija. The Red Car Chief of Lagos. Mommy, see your boy.
I mean, call him.
Red Car Chief of Lagos.
Call him.
Yeah. You know, introduce them. Well, make I introduce them.
Introduce them.
My people, how una dey as una know the complete gang we don't show for inside the entertainment gist. And today or this period we dey with our party of life, the Red Cap Chief.
Oh boy, yeah. You know the matter now. I just can't say at a time, no time on this life. You got to the gym, you got to the waiting, you got to the baby, you got to the baby. Anyways, yes, how you day? Also you day okay? Also you day all right? As you don't hear yes from the man himself, yeah. Tata, as they be right now, my humble self, Red Cap Chief of Lagos. The man to make the matter. You know, so that time to make the matter here from top the entertainment updates. Not time to summer you. Not time to let you know which is the share for inside the world of entertainment. And as they be, yes, you know the drama, they get different level, get different segments. I get the Obodo Naija Tori. Yes, for the Obodo Naija Tori, we give it to share for inside we Obodo for inside. We share for inside the country Naija onto entertainment levels, and I get the Obodo the world. And from top the Obodo the world level, I'm going to tell you what share for inside them other countries of the world based on entertainment. And last, I get the Jara Tori. You know what to do now? If you go market to buy something, we need that Jara. Madam, give me that small Jara for that Gary. Add more Jara. So for the Jara segment, I'm going to give you updates of new music and some new movies we just dropped for inside the new year 2021. So baby, you don't ready to ride with me? Are you very ready to ride with the Red Cap Chief of Lagos and the full squad here, the Daybreak Naija team? As they be, as they hot, straight up, Moko enter inside, Moko let you know what's in day for the table here today. So firstly, as they be for the Obodo Naija segment today. As they hot, about this 2021, some people know they play at all. Now, when I talk to some people know they play, as they be one of Afrobeat, the legendary Afrobeat high life king himself, in Pekin, Shehu Kuti. He don't come outside, can't drag Naija celebrities. Sake of say they do it in, then they shook mouth on top the COVID-19 protocol. You understand? What I mean be say, he don't come outside, can't drag them. Because of say, then they give advice to their followers to follow the COVID-19 protocol. Now, you're gonna wanna say, why it be say Shehu Kuti come outside, can't decide to drag these people. Now, see the kind message we say Shehu Kuti they try pass. Now, in your vex now say Naija celebrities, then they do well because waiting, they tell their followers say make them follow the COVID-19 protocol. Make them follow the COVID-19 protocol so that they don't get the COVID-19 virus. But as the matter take the go, in talk say, not the only COVID-19 virus though. He say he still get another virus where they knock us well, and that one now hunger virus.
Now that one where they I just say land. Now that one be the real matter. Because we don't be like say we ignore that one. Yes, corrode, but hunger.
Hunger virus.
He say that hunger virus. He said that one gone now in be the cocoa virus. Because as I reason the matter, you know, say when I first see the headline, first reason say why Shehu Kuti go come outside come they that they do like this. Why they do that kind of thing? No one I come they go, they come say, oh, this Oga get something they saying they try pass across.
You see, now the reason why then they test, you know, be saying like some of this newspaper, you know, they get the way then they get readers attention. They will just drag something like the first way you talk say Shehu Kuti say make people know they follow celebrity advice on
COVID-19.
So I can't think why you go talk like that. So when you now come download them the thing where in talk, no be say make them know they follow only COVID-19 protocol. May they also reason hunger virus.
Yes, may they follow the hunger virus protocol. That protocol, if you ignore no, hunger virus get protocol.
You get protocol.
What's the protocol?
Thank you very much. Wash your hands and eat. And the first one, very important.
Wait, relax.
Shop.
Wait, relax.
Shop.
Wash your hand and chop.
Shop. It's very important.
The food, you know, go cook am.
Because they don't cook food now. When they talk of hunger virus, if you ignore the protocol, now 6 feet too.
See, this will be say she will put it talk. Me, I really like him. Because I know they look and say for the fact say our celebs they do well oh. She understand them they try say that they tell you say okay make you follow the COVID-19 protocol make you do this make you do that even you know CSO been talk say root boy when come as I come say he don't test positive to the virus even him brother self judo COVID
test them now
that self don't come as I come say himself struggle with the virus. She understand.
So they call yes.
Everybody just
yeah. Yesterday I tell you say the first missionary journey of Koro na Piroro be test positive. The second missionary journey Polo don't test positive. And we talk say the third one now brush Jude. Now Jude don't shine but they say
Jude don't carry him.
He say himself he's on struggle.
He get them now. Him be talk. Him be come outside talk say he get them. She understand? Him been come outside talk say he get them because recently I see say instead come outside come here and say the struggle when he get with the virus he say no be small thing at all. He say no be small thing at all. Say make you waiting for that place where they talk say coronavirus is not there for there. Don't be deceiving yourself. You got to know that COVID-19 is there for outside though. You get
another thing where make Sheng Kuti they talk that thing be say if you remember that when we dey on lockdown you go say you know all these celebrities they don't already make their money you know consign them they this thing just like say they on leave they enjoy the money now the pharmacy
maybe also like make money during that period though.
No what I mean is say the people they don't already get I know what like they talk they get their money already so that one don't consign them even if they're there for half for 1 month to 2 months then go still survive because the money they there so the Sheng Kuti they talk say if we dey fight this at least men will also make preparation work. Now be the thing so that we go get money where we go use keep the body and soul together. Where we go fight. Because now if you don't hungry, say this sickness.
Oh,
you go catch it well.
Because it can't say talk say oh. It be like say when they shoot my for onto the Koro matter because I say it be like say the thing that affects you now. Or because I say the thing feel if it kill you now. But when I come they ignore that hunger virus. Because if you check away.
Now hunger virus the poor masses they feel. No, the real matter be that. Now the hunger mass virus the poor masses they fear. They don't send the Koro. They don't send the Koro. Now the hunger they send.
Now the hunger
now the hunger keep people. Most people now the hunger kill them. So wetin Sheng Kuti yarn better sense in time. As now the advice on our followers say may they do this, may they do that. You self show love, press
show love, press account number. That we send account number.
I will show you love. I will show you love.
My brother, who naked?
See, you don't say time to be promise me say after they say you go show me.
And you don't meet me now. Now I don't pass now.
I go take me too because we did that. They say if na money no fit give me. If na money,
you know,
money I know.
Where should they have me?
Yes.
Yes. You see women. You see women. You are this.
Now you don't challenge you.
Now you can't
challenge I give you. I think say as we go just
do something.
Say we go just drop something. Say I want challenge you. Say I feel get to it with anything.
You go tell me say you want me to give you money. Which I be challenge?
No challenge that now.
He don't challenge you.
No challenge you. Just drop something.
Press on something.
Press something.
No, I go press it something. Then they press it something.
No wahala. As far as press go there. No wahala.
Anyway, that's the me. You know that's the entertainment update. You know with my humble self, Red Cap Team of Lagos, and not leave the man where they make the matter all day and no time 247 because I dey talk and say at a time, no time. You got to the gbé body there. You got to the G masu. You know, as I give you the matter, you got to the G masu. Yes, I don't give you the first update, the first story website I talk say Sheng Kuti don't come outside come drag Nigerian celebrities. talk say if them they talk about the COVID-19 protocol and everything, make themselves follow shoot mouth for on top the hunger virus, because the hunger virus 9 they kill us the more. That's why I'm corrected there from Shehu Kuti. And me, I do it I follow in that line. Yes, I still on top of the Obodo Naija story, onto the second story with the here. Yes, this one from Davido. Because we know the man himself, David Adeleke, one of the biggest Afrobeat superstar. 2021 don't become big for them. 2021 don't start sweet for them because in Papa don't make him one of the directors for his own company. You understand?
Obio! Too late. Okay.
Obio!
Can I the company with this?
Obio!
Yeah.
Obio!
Pacific. Now Papa get some.
Obio! Come in.
Wait. Now debut Papa get.
Now I get them. You get why get for this office at the back of that place.
And I get on now Pacific Holdings Limited.
Pacific.
You get. So in Papa don't make a director for inside the company. And now this year 2021 9 data to just the worker they come outside. Let me just even in sisters Sandra and Ashley and even the elder brother.
Ashley don't marry.
You say?
Ashley don't marry.
Yeah, I don't know that Ashley.
Sandra don't marry.
Yeah, Sandra don't marry.
Ashley never marry.
You want marry?
One of them never marry. One of them never marry.
What you want to do?
I don't know say anytime why they pray, put the video for prayer. I don't know why. Anytime why they put the video for prayer, the spirits they communicate. They tell me say tell your in-law. Tell your in-law. I say Lord, me and the video don't be in-law. I don't even know say the video against this available marry. Ashley. Okay, Ashley. They put Ashley as one of the directors. It makes sense. Now you see, this is now people where their papa he also well.
Yeah.
Now there are people where their papa also. Some of us we don't inherit anything from our papa. And only son that we inherit.
Now I like the way if now some people they go say, "Na my first son go inherit this one."
No,
but everybody,
yes.
Both women.
Exactly.
It bring everybody. It bring Davido. It bring Sharon. It bring Ashley. It bring Adewale.
See, as the kids take around their family now.
If you check where we say Ifeanyi and they don't feed it.
No.
If you find that one, don't be papa money. That one, the video papa money.
That one, you know say.
I find go come get it.
You never can tell anything.
If I in a grand picking.
If I won't come, they drag.
If I know be
Chief Adeleke no be fine papa. Now David be fine papa.
Now
papa he dey.
Relax now. When you want on the tie the matter for head.
I just take the matter. Now so Babele they text that, so I don't even do Babele for small pikin. Whenever they.
If you do, I don't understand.
Now so Babele they start to. This is now one of the first step.
Anyway, that one I corrected because that one I don't say you go to give her the video totally for inside body because you don't say for your papa to call you say yes my pikin. I want to make you director for my company.
Even that director why you be yourself, you know go say you go do any job. Now just that at the end of the month they a lot go they just
So Davido, congratulations. Yes, I want to congratulate the video on behalf of the yes, congratulations to OBO Omo Babolowo. Davido, I want also use this opportunity to clear you say I want make you digging for Kukure Chapel. You don't try. There's a second say the way they take bless the weaker vessel. So and Davido, you go bring your director seat. It's very important for the ministry. Now just for the advancement of the gospel. Boy, this is not better news.
Instead, we're going to say make the video call you. You try and say make you come make
no.
What you want make for your ministry?
What? Davido don't know if you call me.
If you call
what you want make for your ministry?
I say I want make Davido.
If Davido call him now and give him money, that one don't finish. But if he get position for church,
we go to commit
that
him.
one na permit.
You don't know. This one don't get. You don't get ministerial strategy.
Wait.
If you want tie big man down, give him position for church. No go ask for fundraising. Fundraising that one finish at any time. Give him position for church. Why it is all this big man? They go give them. They go get launching chairman.
Launching
committee chairman. You know, say one of the things they go teach you in theology school is to be strategic when making money. So this is one of the. If Davido enter now as the deacon, I'm making the chief deacon of the Kukure.
You don't see any ritual when no go position for any church. Go check them.
The only person I know go give a position because I know say if Davido they come, you go come carry all of them come. And that guy whether they call Ido West.
No, live in the West.
In the West, no
in
go.
the West, I'm mafia. I want mafia.
Because come and show they shout anyhow.
Before you go to give Davido for your kukure sharp position, and before Mommy Gio,
you cook very good food. I trust you, man. I trust your kitchen to Mankasa.
At least the acceptance.
There's a difference between woman don't cook. They call the woman. She's a cook. As Mommy Gio dinner, she perform waiting that they call kitchen to Mankasa.
Oh, Laza Ibangagwanga.
I know they like.
That's why they call them the Salangangwa of the Galangangwa. You are confused the language of the boss.
They speak the language when they speak for shrine. Next one.
Anyway, as we move here, big ups to you, Davido, because you know, easy 2021. It starts on a very stew note for you, on a very bam note for you, and a very ororo note for you. Because to become director for inside that kind of big company,
now this kind of news we want here now. Not be say by the time we go wake up, things don't spoil for Nigeria. Now this kind of thing we want here.
Why their logo can't they be like WhatsApp?
No, nobody.
Like this is not WhatsApp limited. I want job.
That logo is in there. Pacific Holdings Limited. You don't see as you tap on your screen, so that logo is in there. Now strong logo.
No, better logo. Now just concern the color and everything. They be like WhatsApp.
Don't let David come carry you.
No, that's my dick. Now my dick be that.
Okay, as the video, that's still the entertainment update here for On Top Daybreak like that. If you just come through the one that say, wait till this video just the yarn, this starter, this sugar baby, and this my baby red cap. And I made the correct cap chief of Lagos, and I made the make the matter. As the BS on to the next story. For this, I'm going to shook eye for On Top the movie levels. Okay, for On Top movie levels for the Obodo Naija story here. As the BS Omogeto the saga. Yes, as they don't release them as one of the most watched movies for inside last year 2020.
So not be funke again.
So as maybe now the food say this particular movie Omogeto the saga where they see so for your screen. So as it be for the ratings, now they for On Top #1 as waiting as 2020 most watched movies for inside our country, Nigeria. So now, Tata, this movie don't say
True, man, no lie. Because I no be liar, and my name no be Linus Mba. No lie. I never see, but I don't hear. I don't watch the trailer. True.
Okay.
But looking at this thing, it's that when you get the king of doings in your movie, when you get the king of doings in your movie, and you expect action, just browse, relax, and enjoy the movie. I get it to be my kid, yeah. When you get person like Funke don't they deliver. Funke don't they deliver. No be today now. Funke no be today. Alice, Alex did there. And Shoma Chukwuka. If person tell me say Shoma rugged like this, I don't believe I'm Shoma with it. Let's short get Shoma.
You know say now this Shoma matter you dey talk now. You know say if person rugged, you dey shock you say Shoma rugged abi. You know say one thing with acting, they call acting make believe. Shey you grab. You understand?
So if you are talented.
Once she done set, she just put that character to make you
in as much as say now make believe. You know what I talk now. Like me now, sugar, you know in the system. You know what I talk.
Like me now, if you give me script now.
Which script?
Wait now.
Which position?
Wait now, make I talk. Why do they look me like this? If you give me script now as gang leader, as gangster.
You be gangster now.
I don't know. If you give me say as the gangster now, make I
talk another one.
Talk another one where we no fit believe say if you like motivational speaker we no fit.
No,
Pastor, what do you want preach?
What you want preach?
I go shock you.
You go shock me.
I beg.
I shock you now.
Shock me.
This year 2021.
It depends on the type of pastor.
Wait now.
Is it the fake pastor or real one?
Real pastor.
Now this one's where they use their hand call God. See, you see that movie? I just get special love for that movie. Although I don't already plan say I go see the movie later. I know they like rush something. When you know say when Mary May come up, when people they Mary, we calm down. We calm down. When they don't watch that video, we watch our own. We know they like rush thing. I'm an elder statesman.
I know say this movie go make sense the day where they do the premiere. The dressing.
The swag. Oh, like that.
The way they take dress from the premiere.
You know they see there. Open.
This one like the movie. If you see their dress, even this one Bisola. Just all of them just dress.
They give you. No, they just give you that. Get to.
Even this in the settings, as in where they do the premiere.
You know, person why they miss for this movie.
You
know, person why they miss for this movie. It will say the man is squeezing Kevin O'Clock.
Hey! No.
Yeah.
See,
bros, no be joke. If they manage,
that boy,
if you won't bring out the ruggedness in Zubi Michael, make Kevin be opposition for movie. You know, say Zubi Michael and Kevin.
I don't say but even with the cast, even with the character.
I said things okay. I said if they manage squeezing Kevin. Kevin wey get my tell one woman say mama only for this only in our society only in our community I bet they give you
you go tell go punish you.
So Omo get to the saga that makes sense.
Yes, Omo get to the saga. I don't hear and here for on top entertainment to here for Daybreak Naija. Now it be the most watched movie for inside.
See Yemi Alade they eye me. Yemi, I see they wait for your tight.
Where is Yemi?
See Yemi there now.
Yemi no dead there.
Yemi dead there.
No be Yemi.
Na Yemi, you want me better?
No be Yemi.
Na Yemi Alade.
No be Yemi. What is?
You want me to talk? Na Yemi dead there.
We go
before the person will go stay before after that get we do am like that. No one call them.
That person want reason. No be Yemi be that.
Before they okay.
We go
when I get my church member. Anyway, I know one better than I believe.
You know what thing go happen? We go just press our button, continue the distance. Our people they go hear our voice. They go help us shake the people wait there for that this show. Then go give us the information.
I bet we go bet now. The man of God also bet. Bring your phone.
Bring your phone.
Bring your phone. I beg.
I don't phone. I beg. Leave my phone. Leave my. I
go back to you. Bring your phone. Bring the phone. Bring that one. Bring that one. I beg. This is not another level for now.
Put that thing for
me. They doubt me. They doubt me.
Leave my phone there.
No, put that for me.
I go back to you. I beg, may una help us raising this matter now with the chat. Whether Yemi follow for this movie, I think Yemi no follow. Or Yemi una help us check. Make it. Carry they go. They go see. Give us updates on top whether Yemi follow for that movie or not.
This sugar baby at that. I wonder how not to do for inside house. As I do the do that's like bing.
No, I know our marriage now. No, they step.
You guys sarcasm.
No, they step.
You guys this marriage.
You are very unstable now, man.
This marriage be. Beginning of this week, you've been divorced. We were married by
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
See where I did. Now here be my position before, but because we don't officially.
You say Pasicon has arranged for your eyes. Now here it's done before. You know they even ask yourself questions.
So now they maintain social distancing. Even with the love.
You don't divorce.
Now you carry this thing wey cause trouble. Now if I don't win this bet, you no go call this house again.
Nobody calm down. You go
check the next update.
Give us another one. I beg. Then go.
Anyways, that's one of the last updates here for on top the Obodo Naija segment. Yes, you hear them. Omo get to the saga, now be the most watched movie for inside the year 2020. And as they be, that movie don't reckon correct money. It don't reckon 187 million naira so far. As it be the most watched
187
million naira.
What is Sister Funke the wait when she bring her Omosaga seed? Sister Funke, what? I don't know.
Don't be stingy.
Bring your Omosaga seed. Some men of God fasted for this movie. When they shoot at the fast. Come on. Even though now you go press me 8 million.
You want bet, man. You go collect your tithe from the bet. Now relax.
If for this, I don't already clear this step. I don't already win this bet.
Guys, they don't hear from top the Daybreak Naija Entertainment to the red captain of Lagos. So they giving us the bill, they catch the phone, they catch the groove. You understand? This life, wahala no dey finish you. Make you try to catch phone. Listen, I need every day. So okay, so they be make we enter onto another level. This one attempt to give you the Obodo the word. So as she dey be, yes, as she dey be.
Hey! Abeg, you get one song I want sing now. You get an Igbo song. If you touch anything, I'll back to her. Jesus a surprise, you go move. Many blessings. Of embarrassing, many blessings. You know why? You know why I don't want to touch your own? They say more they help the least privileged. Hold your phone. Mommy, I don't know.
I know where I go collect.
I don't know whether.
If you want we enter the other room,
you want make I use it come on your SIM card. I make I use tongue lick out your SIM card. And I tell When you say, Sister Yemi come meet me for sure, let me say, bro, starter, they don't include me for Mosaga. Why the best for Sister Yemi?
When they bring that this in, but when they bring that poster.
You see the doubt him? You don't believe him. Now Yemi, na see Yemi there now. See Yemi. Now makeup. Now
makeup, eh?
Now Africa is too much show.
We recognize other ones now. Yemi come.
You don't say this bet.
May not be sad the vest. May not be sad the vest. Mommy, show. Take. No, be sad the vest.
This bet. No, not too better, no. I don't play on a bet too. I just add my phone, make it be less. I don't join the ministry. I just come on my phone.
You know why we leave your phone for you? When they can't fish, then they can't crayfish.
Crayfish na fish.
We been bet smartphone, we don't bet telephone. We don't add telephone to the smartphone.
Crayfish like this way they see.
I said we bet smartphone.
See, this way they see. If I tell you what they do.
No, calm down. I say I know the phone.
If I tell you this way they do.
No, we know.
This guy.
It's too argue. You know, it's too argue.
I take your.
No, we been bet smartphone. You carry telephone, come add to smartphone. So hold your telephone.
Relax. Whether you call a telephone or you call a telephone, my phone na phone. And my phone they do to your phone they do. Pass it to your phone they do self. But don't matter how you call here. I can give the entertainment update. So
I don't know whether your phone na entertainer.
Wait, these people don't give us another update of what we go feed they do for this to keep body and soul. Is it this kind confusion? This better we go bring join matter for our show. We go reason am later. We go reason am.
You remind me this in 1000.
We go carry enough drink to come. If you fail the thing, we go drink am. That time we go drink. If you don't be man of God or no man of God.
Unless na communion wine and I go bring that is filled with the spirit-filled communion wine. I know they take anything alcoholic. I just take away the spirit.
We go listen that one later. Give us another story.
Before you go to find spirit-filled wine, you go to find water-filled wine. I make I fill my people with correct entertainment. Okay, so the B, make I give you the Obodo the World segment today for Obodo the World. What you can enter inside there, what thing happen with one of the biggest Congolese artists. Where we say I still don't come outside, can't join body with this guy where they call Grand P. Yes, Congolese high life singer. Where we say in name na Kofi Olomide, where they very popular for high life music. We don't join body with this Guinea actor, musician, and politician. They two don't join body. They actually want to drop a collabo for inside this.
Hey, my grandma, see my husband though.
So as you see this thing where this guy do, this Kofi Olomide, this way he do is sweet many fans body. Because if you check him, you know say this Grand P and Kofi Olomide, they'll be mates. It's just like when you carry someone like Jay-Z and one Nigerian artist where just the reach there.
Call them now, make the person come for you. Call them now, make the person come for you. If you just try call them. I don't want them. Try call them.
I heard I say when you bring that to punch join body, you understand? So this particular thing where Kofi Olomide do is sweet many Congolese fans for body and it sweet many Guinean fans for body. Many Guinea. This guy are from Guinea.
They
are Guineans now.
Okay, maybe call me this guy. I tell you. After you go carry your food, they give him. If you got any plate,
relax.
It's like Guinean fans. It is not Guinean, it is Guinean.
Relax.
Guinean.
See,
follow the accent, Guinean.
See, make I tell you something.
Listen, follow.
Relax, make I tell you something. Whether you call them Guinean, whether you call them Guinea fowl, me I call them Guineans. She understand?
You don't copy me now.
I don't copy you. I don't copy you.
What do you go say? Where with our show na pidgin now with the wrong. Anyhow, where you take twist on English na.
Not before where the man of God.
Avoid the man of God. Guineans, Gigi.
So, Apasho with Kofi Olomide. You know, say last and when I be this small, they listen to Kofi Olomide. I think say na Yoruba guy. Wallahi. Now the Kofi
confused me. You say it is a Yoruba guy.
No,
I swear.
Now the Kofi confused me.
The Kofi of when them Awilo Logomba and them.
I know. They tell me about Kofi. Oh, Gamma can clear you. Now for Libreville, I spent most of my life. From Libreville, I enter where they call Takwakwa for inside Cotonou.
Oh, you speak French.
Wait, this your Takwakwa. Where this your Takwakwa?
Kilala Ash. You know what that one mean? Kilala Ash.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bon après-midi.
Bon nuit, notre bien.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Vendredi.
Mec qui a gagné, mec qui a
c'est un crédit, ça cambrodi.
Quelle est la date?
Non.
Quelle est la date de doji?
Là, il donne ce.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle, that's what you have
Not to do. Je not to do. Je m'appelle.
We are commencé.
Wait, is it?
Where commence it?
Where commence it? Wait. Come to make a.
Allow me to challenge them. You know, Sabi said.
Make I you say where commence it, Abi? Where commence it? And here commence it, Nigeria TV. Talk to my people.
Okay.
And here commence it, I talk to my people. Oh yeah. Talk.
Kisu kele bi ta gwe se kele bi ga eta bo jo ma pe gang gi ga se gang ja be de cha cho
to shi ta won de shi tong da
yong yong ding gan da
yi pe shi de shi da
ni min dong
lo shi da
ni dang
dong
but this is na Spanish with the speak don't enter Chinese na Hong Kong
you na Chinese dey speak
na Chinese you speak
na
Chinese
I don't do the thing where the totori me be say see that my husband wey put there
which one really totori you
which of them be your husband
Grandpa na my husband na
if you see Grandpa
yes
if Grandpa babe sit down on top you
abeg put that Grandpa babe I need that this thing
Grandpa anywhere
you know wetin I call this is a typical example of wetin the Bible talk when they tell you say even if your face more like mustard seed you move mountain.
Make I tell you whether you dey move mountain or not this mountain wey I see here no be Grandpa dey move am.
Na Grandpa dey move am.
No be Grandpa
dey move am.
Tata me I dey tell you say no be Grandpa dey move this mountain.
Okay abeg make una help us chook mouth. You know say Grandpa dey move that mountain abi Grandpa no dey move that mountain.
That mountain wey you see there na from Ivory Coast. Grandpa na from Guinea.
Wetin be that? Grandpa no get private jet.
Wait calm down relax see who tell say Grandpa get private jet. Who tell say
love dey blind.
See make I tell you this thing wey dey see here so
but this dey be like where mommy wey carry pikin dey go PTA meeting.
What do you mean na?
No.
Grandpa na man.
No, Grandpa na man e be.
Na man e be na.
Na man e be. But na him dey move this mountain.
They move this mountain.
I no dey follow them see.
No, but they go let us show us who they move this mountain.
Abeg make no say something. I dey force.
Okay, me I go say this one. I go say.
Mona tell us who they move the mountain.
Abeg make
we move that mountain.
Wait. See.
We want people na yes or no.
Wait. My Koreta people, I don't bet my glass and the Makoreta smartphone. You get now, either telling me say Grandpa that move the mountain, and they tell us say Grandpa not the one that move the mountain.
Abeg make una help us check. Na Grandpa they move that mountain. Abeg they move Grandpa. Na tete.
No be Grandpa they move that mountain.
Okay.
Because the mountain the mountain and them money are too much.
When you sabi Grandpa na name for Zauza room.
Hey. Wait. Yes, Grandpa.
No be Grandpa.
Wait. Grandpa na him do the mountain. He does that to you.
Don't see.
Let me see.
What is that? Udozi.
See,
now,
me, I dey go say.
How do I look?
You look damn. That's my hobby.
Yeah.
My hobby.
How you want me to come on your sink and make I bite and then I lick them out? Grandpa,
we get.
You don't make me a wear glasses, Grandpa, my guy.
Me, Red Captive of Lagos. This one when I do here so me I know say no be Grandpa they move that mountain.
See Red Captain, you know say we get
very soon you go talk to
sabi people. Now sabi people now they tell us the final score. So just take them like that.
This na VAR.
I
sabi people now they tell us what happen here. So now Grandpa move the mountain.
Who born you?
Me I be thief. I know they agree.
You know they agree. Your glasses don't go. Next update.
If you don't agree, I'll go come out from this show.
Now
our show be this.
I don't agree.
Now before you come here, so you just agree.
Off your mic. You go agree.
Anyways.
So you get one more thing to agree. If not, go come out from here.
Okay.
You don't agree.
You don't agree.
I don't hear. But
you don't hear and you don't agree. No make sense.
I don't hear, but I never agree. Make I give the update. They go.
Okay. Better.
So actually, that's one of the first story for Obodo the world. Yes, as a Grandpa and Kofi Olomide. This year 2021, they don't join body, to drop something for the people. So they be the Guinean fans and the Congolese fans would expect some kind of joint collaboration from Grandpa and Kofi Olomide, and it going to drop. But they never give us date when it going to drop. I sure say this one will be waiting. It will be banger because trust Kofi. Anything in high life, Kofi did there to give them to you. Correct high life. Oh my God! Don't try Kofi Olomide.
No be sure.
We're gonna give it to you.
That year, I know they carry two people play when it comes to this their type of music. You see Kofi. Okay, now try people. You see Kofi. You see Awilo. Then later, you see the late DJ Abajowi Arafat. Back then when I see it, I miss the word.
You know that's what Martins. I don't like this touching body.
Now you sing
you know the Arafat.
Now them face predict social distancing. I don't understand. I don't like this touching body. Because NCDC no like
why you say
and I say concern that the social distance NCDC no like touching.
I beg give us another one.
Okay, so let me answer on to the next update here. This one now I want to give you so it go shock you, it go shock you like shock absorber. Oh yeah, you understand? So this one now on to enter inside Britain today. As will be one of a British finance actor we don't do very much in the game. Maybe say in name now Rowan Atkinson. We play for that popular movie, Mr. Bean. You don't come aside. Context that particular role when he play, he say he stress him well.
You know
and he no go like play that kind of role.
Yes, you know they get some certain role where you go they play. The thing go be like your lifestyle. Your character.
You know,
you behave like
you watch London 2012 Olympic. When they play this thing, you know say. True, Mr. Bean na one man. To me, for all the comedians where I don't see since they born me this earth, Mr. Bean na the greatest comedian where I don't see.
Why
you know why? You don't need talk for you to laugh. That London Olympic, they play better. I don't know what it. I don't know why. I don't know whether you don't do music before. There is something we call musical tantata.
Wait, calm down. Before I go come and go rap, you should be not do music before.
I know, sorry. I just say. It's a different day between you be artist and you don't do music.
Wait, calm down.
You don't do theory.
I do both.
Okay.
I don't do practical.
Confirm. You know what they call musical tantata? Symphony.
For myself, it be musical cantata.
So when they perform that musical cantata, wait, musical cantata, symphony, and waiting that they call musical orchestra.
Okay.
When they perform, see better British musicians. When they introduce them, you go to hear Sir Lucian White, Sir Winston Brown.
You know something about Mr. Bisi they talk.
So when they introduce all these people, serious-minded musicians, we don't make way for UK and the Great Britain. When they play, the only thing they involve Mr. Bean, may they play for there. May just they play keyboard, boing. And the thing collab with what they play. And only in facial expression, you can do that thing. Now, you know, they always get something when you want pick. You want pick something where they here. In the fine way, I go to the president. As in, people leave those where they play, come they laugh. You know, they play that thing finish, come they dream. And when they wake up, people don't already finish. They don't already finish the music. As in, people they laugh. He no talk. He no need talk. The only time where I don't hear him when he talk, now one movie when he act, when he answer Mr. English or waiting, when he act John English, when he act as agent. At that time where I hear him when he talk, but this man no need talk. But for him to come out to say the hero stress him and told you no fit play him again, Mr. B don't old.
And you know why he come outside contact. You know say when they started to shoot this Mr. Bean, they be shoot him in the 1990s. They start January. So you know say January we did so. So he come be like say to make a grant interview when they come ask him about this particular
whether I go see
Mr. Bean, whether they go still continue the shoot. You know, say when they start this Mr. Bean shoot, they start that January 1990. So from 1990 to 1995, now series they made the shoot. You understand? So for 1997 they can't shoot the movie. Then for 2007 they can't shoot Mr. Bean The Holidays. You remember Mr. Bean The Holidays? Sure, you understand? So now when you come outside now, come grant the interview, now you come talk about this thing. People can't understand because people don't understand.
People just say just small.
People just say a small thing. Now you do for that place. You understand? Because it's not easy for you to just work with expressions.
And still make people laugh.
And still make people laugh. Sure, understand? No be small thing. So as you come outside, come here now, many people can look and say, oh no, what did this man do? No be small thing. And trust me,
But when they talk.
If they know, anytime you say they shoot this movie, Mr. Bean again, if you go allow them shoot again with time, trust me, it will be hit. It will be hit.
Back to back.
You understand? But as you now come outside and come to say, you know one drum again. You know one act anything, Mr. Bean again. And trust me, people like me, you watch Mr. Bean, have you?
That one a question.
No, I just ask.
No question.
See, this time Mr. Bean Rome come make me remember this Jennifer. I think that Jennifer that now be the new this thing now. This Funka Akindele, that's her series. people come there, you know, say this thing too long, you know, they finish. Now somebody come comment for Instagram when they come tell us, Funke, this thing don't they boring. Which time Jennifer supposed to speak English? You know that up to now Jennifer never still speak good English. Now Jennifer come say, you go tell Mr. Beans why he never talk for film. That's all now. So that's Mr. Beast's own destiny. They don't have to Mr. Beast don't they talk.
No, so this way you talk about Mr. B, when you talk say the strength, you know there again. If they touch me, the spirit just the minister. Someone. The spirit just the minister to me now. I don't know how whether I go figure Mr. B contact. Making console in strength.
I thought you even want to talk like that.
I mean, before you go to collect strength seed. As it be, if you just come through, yes, this is not the entertainment update with my humble self, Red Cap Chief of Lagos. Of course, they make the matter all day and all time. Of course, they make the matter here for the Daybreaker Niger. As it be, I don't give you all the story. I don't guagalize you. I don't synchronize you with all the entertainment updates. I don't give you the Obodo Niger story. I don't give you the Obodo the World story. And now I can give you the Jara segment. You know, so earlier on I talked for the Jara here. I'm going to give you updates of new songs or new song will just come out. Now for the Jara segment here today, from top the new song we just dropped. Yes, our brother Shaggy, where we know the Instagram comedian and actor, you don't drop new song where you call Happy Day. So if you be fan of brother Shaggy, you like Brother Shaggy music? You like Brother Shaggy?
Oh yeah, hit me.
With the song. Yes, Happy Day by Brother Shaggy. It don't drop. So all the big fans and all the lovers of Brother Shaggy movie, I beg, make una try go check out that one. As the BS for on top movie update. Yes, new movie will don't come outside, but it never did inside cinemas. Now Tanwa Savage. And yes, Tanwa Savage now movie focus on waiting the true life story of a particular marriage of DNA test and this paternity fraud.
So I trust my job.
Marriage true life.
Make one thing just hit. You get. Then go use
so they don't already act.
They don't act. Before the thing come drops, they don't act. Wow,
but now for this case now, you know say now based on this paternity fraud with the shell because it been bust earlier this year from Twitter, many people come out here and say paternity fraud. Even the case of that particular way happened for inside that bank, where we say the man come outside after in death. Now you call the trend. When the man can discover, say, in Peking we get no be in Pekins, thank you, Jerry, you already there. In Pekins when he gets, no be in get time. Say na your go na you get the Peking. But the be now that story is still there on ground, is still there on investigation, sir. But the be right now, as I talk here, sir, Tanwa Savage. Now move really focus on data particular issues. You understand? But this one now based on true life story.
Before you go tell you say no be
now based on true life story of a particular couple. We go through this particular mess.
You know, say if you tell them this thing finish, they no go watch them again. You know, no Nigeria people.
You say no. Let me say.
I don't ever ask to say why Nollywood no they bring up poster again. Some people they watch film from poster. They go look. Say wicked woman. See, don't kill this man.
You never even get the full gist what they talk because this one not be just. You know, say in the case of paternity fraud, it would be the demand from the woman. Say I want to get DNA test of my Peking. But in this case now. This particular movie now, not the other way around.
Now the woman they deny.
Now the woman they demand from the man. You understand? Now the woman they demand from the man, not be the man demanding from the woman. You know, say in most cases, now the man will demand from the woman say, I want to get DNA test of my Peking, make her confirm, say this Peking is my true Peking. But this particular movie now, Tanwa Savage, we don't come outside, but never hit cinemas. In this case, now reverse is the case. Because now the woman, then the demand from the man. So just imagine, say, this movie, how it will take be, reason how it will take be. In the case of, say, the woman, the demand from the man for DNA test of your children. Just imagine how the movie will take be. And of course, definitely we get so many amazing actors with different inside these movies, the likes of Shogun Arize, you know, the inside movie, the likes of Nkechi Blessing themselves, them show face for this particular movie. And the movie na Geshin Salvador, na indirect and producer this particular movie, Tanwa Savage. As the big going to hit cinemas January 22 this year, 2021. So for you who like suspense, for you who like action, for you who like everything suspense, make you ready for Tanwa Savage. January 22, 2021, you're going to hit cinemas. That now the Jara Tori from top the movie levels here for the entertainment update with my humble self, Red Cap Team of Lagos for Daybreaker Naija. Now the matter waiting for the be that. Okay, before I walk out, you come out because you don't look me like this. Don't look me like this.
Don't go.
Say,
No, I'm not looking at you. I'm just, you know. The man of God also swag off. Yes.
Okay, before I carry come out, if you just come to the very, very welcome.
Yes,
You're very welcome. Yeah. But you don't miss something, so we don't talk.
Yes, you don't miss the transition of eyeglass, the movement of eyeglass from Red Cap to the man of God.
Maybe my card will go collect next. Like I just say, I give you a run through of the things when I yarn from the Obodo Naija news down to the Obodo the world. Yes, for Obodo Naija news, and then we'll talk about Seun Kuti. We'll come as I can drag Naija celebrities. We talk say yes, and we talk about COVID-19 regulations and protocol. We can also talk about the hunger virus. That's what they will see for your screen. That now Seun Kuti. And yes, secondly, yes, 2021 it starts well for David Adeleke, who knows as OBO 30BG boss himself. Davido, as in Papa don't make a director for his own company, will be Pacific Holdings Limited. Big ups to Davido. And yeah, so third story there from top the Obodo Naija story. Yes, that one I almost get to the saga. Yes, we said Funke Akindele and his husband JJC direct that movie. The movie don't become the #1 most watched movie for inside last year 2020. And yes, for Obodo the World story as the BS we hear say Congolese singer and Guinea actor, singer and politician will be saying his name na Grand P. They don't join body to drop small collab for their fans for this year 2021. And yes, secondly from top the Obodo the World story, yes, we hear say Rowan Atkinson will be Mr. Bean, very popular as Mr. Bean. He don't come as I come here and say, oh no, that road is stress and well and ain't no go like do again. And for the Jara story, yes, I tell you say brother Shaggy will be say he real name as Samuel A. Perry. You don't come aside, come drop a new single win called Happy Day. And I tell you about Tanwa Savage. The movie will be hit cinemas January 22nd, 2021. This is now all the today we say. Red Cap Team of Lagos carry come today from Topper, the entertainment update for Daybreaker Naija. I hope so you get all the fun. This guy, don't collect my glass, don't collect my phone.
Okay, you don't finish. Okay.
Sugar baby.
We don't collect them, let's go.
And when are you go?
Okay, currently today we will take much break on top of the entertainment update segment. Yes, so with the Red Cap for Lagos City, the man of God don't too shop.
Yeah.
I don't be like come with that.
I carry come, but now.
Sugar, which side you there? I know they see well again. Oh boy, they try you. Okay, like this, we go throw back in the comment because we still get better packages for now. So don't forget to follow Naija TV on top and YouTube at Naija TV Pigeon. Here's a more than knock you better update as it be. And from all of us, we there for Inside TV like this, we they tell you, una bye bye you.
Hi, my name is Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.